How to transfer TikTok points to Gcash. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer TikTok points to Gcash. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access more options. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then select Balance. Next, tap on Live Rewards to view your TikTok points. From here, follow the instructions to transfer your TikTok points to Gcash. Make sure you have your Gcash account linked for a smooth transfer. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your TikTok points to Gcash. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.